Hey Nicole, it's me. All right. So you told me that you weren't able to um do problems like this that talk about estimating with adding and subtracting decimals. So quickly I'm gonna review it um so that you're able to do it for your big project. So first we're going to line up these two. So it's 12.93 plus plus we can do plus sign 6.1. Notice that my decimals are lined up and that there's a space under the 3. So if it helps, you can always fill in the space with a 0 so it doesn't confuse you. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put your decimal places down. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 6 is 6. So 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus nothing here is 1. So your answer is 19.03. So when you look after the decimal place, your 3 and your 0, well, your 0 right here is less than 5. So you would round down to 19. And 19 right here. So another way you can do it is by adding these two numbers up. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we say 12.93 is rounded up to 13, and then 6.1 is rounded down to 6, we can easily add these two numbers up, and we know that 13 plus 6 is 19. So to check our answer, this is a great way to do it. And if you don't like this method right here, you can definitely add these two numbers by rounding and get the answer of 19. So the last step is to check our answer by clicking check. And yay, our answer is correct. Now we're going to be moving on to estimating with subtracting decimals, which is another topic that is going to be on your project and heavily graded. We're going to be talking about estimating with subtracting decimals. It's basically the same exact thing as estimating with adding decimals. However, we're just subtracting the numbers rather than adding, and we're still going to be rounding. So let's write this problem out. Minus 3 is 3. 0 minus 1 we can't do, so what we're going to do is we're going to borrow from this 8 that we have here. Oh, this is not an 8, this is a 9, sorry. So we're going to borrow from this 9. The 9 becomes an 8. This 0 becomes a 10. So we do 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Then these two decimals need to be lined up. So we're going to line them up here at the decimal. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. And our actual answer is 17.93. So if we do the method that I taught you, let me get another color here. Let's do green. So it's going to be 39.06 is rounded down to just 39. 21.13 is also rounded down to 21. So all we're going to do here is add these two numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. But that's not right. Oh my god, I'm confusing you. I'm so sorry. We were supposed to subtract. So we're going to go back and erase all this. The rounding was right. So 39 gets rounded down to 39.06 is rounded down to 39. 21 is rounded down to 21. But instead of adding, which I did like a bomb hole, we are going to subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So Now that we have this rounded number here, your actual number is 17.93, but we do know that 18 is the rounded answer. So we can definitely round 17.93 to 18, and the reason for this is because of this 9. So what you will do is look at the number that's after the decimal. This is different for every class, but for me, all I'm going to be asking you mostly to do is to look at the number after the decimal. So this 9 is bigger than 5, so we're just going to round this 17 up to an 18. Alright, so let's do one practice problem that is going to be worth 3 points for you. Make sure to write it down in your notebook. I'm going to be checking it and making sure that you did it. Also, just to make sure that you watched to the end of this video, put a smiley face in your worksheet and I'll give you an extra half point of extra credit. Thank you for watching this, and I hope that if you have any questions, just let me know, because tomorrow we're going to start our day 1 of the project. Because I am working though, I really want you to start. Like, I'm gonna leave instructions on Schoology, and you do have to submit whatever you did before I come back. I come back at 8:30, so if there's nothing in by 8:30, then you will receive a 0 for that assignment, and you will not be able to make it up. Alrighty, if you have any questions again, just let me know, and I will go over everything that you need for tomorrow.